Usually where the moisture is more, you will have these kind of situation where the shoes get spoiled very easily. The top layer of the shoes, the coating starts coming out in this way. So what can you do is either use a scraper like this, or you can use sandpaper also to scrape the top layer off completely. Once the top layer is removed, it will look like this. Thereafter, you will have to take the liquid black polish, okay, and then spread it all over the shoe. You can put one coat, leave it to dry, and do a second round and leave it to dry again. Once you have coated it well, which is already done on these shoes, as you can see the difference from what it was previously, then you will use this black wax kind of polish over the shoe. Now this will require at least 3 to 4 coats. So you'll have to dab this on different places of the shoe with the help of a shoe polish brush. Just spread a bit around the shoe and then start polishing. Now in one time you are not going to get any result, it's not going to shine and all. So you will have to do at least 3 to 4 rounds in order to acquire that shine kind of result or a good looking result of the shoe. Once you are done polishing the shoes, the final result is going to be mind-blowing. So this is how it looks finally. Isn't it cool? No need to throw away any shoes or bags where they have chipped off, the top layers come. You can use the same method for your bags also and work your way out. Found this very informative and useful? Then do share it with others, and for more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe.